Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Optimus futures and IronBeam futures, two prominent futures brokers. If you're navigating the futures trading landscape in 2025, this video is your go-to guide. We'll explore their platforms, the features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and help you determine which broker aligns best with your trading goals. So let's get started. Optimus Futures is a broker that stands out as an introducing broker, offering access to a variety of futures commission merchants, including IronBeam. This structure provides traders with flexibility in choosing platforms and services that best fits their needs. One of their flagship platforms is the Optimus Flow. The Optimus Flow is a powerful Windows-based application renowned for its advanced charting, order flow analysis, and customizable interface. For those preferring browser-based trading, Optimus Web offers a comprehensive experience with over 300 built-in indicators and the ability to create custom order types. Additionally, Optimus Features supports a wide range of third-party platforms like MetaTrader 5, TradingView, and Sierra Charts, catering to diverse trading preferences. Now onto IronBeam. IronBeam, on the other hand, operates as a full-stack futures broker and clearing firm. The proprietary platform, IronBeam Advanced, is accessible via desktop, via web, and mobile devices, ensuring seamless trading across all devices. The platform boasts over 300 built-in indicators, custom server-side order strategies, and real-time span margining. Notably, IronBeam offers free Level 1 and Level 2 market data, enhancing the trading experience without additional costs. Integration with TradingView further amplifies IronBeam's appeal, which allows traders to leverage TradingView's robust charting tools while executing trades through IronBeam's infrastructure. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. For Optimus, they provide traders with access to multiple FCMs, offering flexibility in choosing clearing firms and platforms. They also have a variety of trading platforms, including their proprietary Optimus Flow and Optimus Web, advanced charting tools with over 300 indicators and customizable order types, support for automated trading systems and algorithmic strategies. They also have comprehensive educational resources and responsive customer support. And with IronBeam, they have a unified platform that combines brokerage and clearing services. There's a free access to Level 1 and Level 2 market data. It's a versatile trading platform that's available on desktop, web, and mobile. And also advanced order types are present, including brackets, OCOs, and trailing stops. They have a lovely integration with TradingView for enhanced charting and analysis. And of course, 24/7 professional support with experienced representatives, and the support platform where you can learn and add more to your knowledge. So let us talk about the pricing now. For Optimus, they offer competitive commission rates, $0.25 per side for micro contracts and $0.75 per side on standard contracts. And for IronBeam, the commission is straightforward. It is believed to be $0.99 per side for standard contracts. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Optimus, flexible access to multiple FCMs and platforms, competitive commission rates with volume discounts, advanced charting and order execution tools, and free access to the trading journal. And the pros for IronBeam: integrated brokerage and clearing services, available on desktop, on web, and on mobile apps, free Level 1 and Level 2 market data, and no account minimums. How about the cons? For Optimus, the Optimus Flow platform is Windows only. Limited deposit and withdrawal options, primarily ACH and wire transfers. And wire withdrawal fees can be relatively high. And for IronBeam, higher commission rates compared to some competitors. And there's also limited information on volume-based commission discounts. But in conclusion, both Optimus Futures and IronBeam offer robust platforms and services for futures traders in 2025. Optimus Futures stands out with its flexible access to multiple FCMs, competitive pricing, and advanced trading tools, making it ideal for traders that are seeking customization and cost effectiveness. IronBeam, with its integrated services, free comprehensive market data, and versatile platform, appeals to traders that are looking for a seamless and straightforward trading experience without the need to manage multiple accounts or platforms. So ultimately, the choice between the two depends on your trading style, your platform preferences, and cost considerations. If you prioritize flexibility and lower commissions, Optimus Futures may be the better fit. But if you value all-in-one platform with comprehensive features and support, IronBeam could be your go-to broker. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore NinjaTrader, AMP Futures, and EdgeClear. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.